Let's make this presentation in PowerPoint. Insert a rectangle, adjust its corners, remove the fill color, and add an outline and a glow. Insert another rectangle, right-click and select Format Shape, and remember these settings. Insert a text box and adjust it like this. Insert 3 more text boxes, change their color and adjust them like this. Insert title and some details here. Duplicate the slide and adjust your content like this. Repeat the same process 2 more times. Now select all the slides and apply Morph Transition. Subscribe our channel for more amazing tutorials.